How to make Facebook private. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can make your Facebook private, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to make your Facebook private, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Facebook application here, and then just come to your profile page. Now currently you can see that if your profile is public, what do you want to do if you want to make it private? To make it private is very simple. Just tap the three dots icon that you can find over here, and then right over here you'll find this new option known as lock profile. Now this is a new update from Facebook and Meta that will allow us to lock our profile, which is the simplest form of making it private. So if I tap on lock profile option, you can see only friends will see the photos, posts and stories on your profile. Only friends will see your full size profile picture, and people will still be able to search for you and send you friend requests. So tap on the lock your profile option here. Once you tap on lock profile, your Facebook profile is going to get locked. Now if you want to see how other people view your profile, you can just try to tap the three dots icon, select view as, and this is how other people are going to be able to perceive your profile. They can send you friend requests, but they will see this person has locked the profile and they will not be able to see more details than that. That's all it takes to make your Facebook private. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.